When it comes to candy, this is my go-to. These are salted nut logs. The secret to making the best payday is all in the peanut. Well, this one didn't have any secrets. Get it, Karen. Butterfly. It must be snack time. The recipe says peanut butter chips, so I'll just add some peanut butter and then eat some chips. Next, you want to add some thick cow juice. This is Bernie the cow. He makes juice. Next, add some white pencil erasers. They must have been out of pink ones, because I could only find the white ones. After I mix the Lardo, it'll look like this. I have a dish with the glass side up and spray it with Pam. And next, we're gonna add some nuts with some secrets. These ones seem like they have lots of secrets. Diversification is a good approach, so I'm gonna be using a diversity of nuts. These are surfboards. This is a boomer nut. I guess it's broken. This is a magic nut. It changes color. This one's an acorn. Lulu likes acorns. Get 'em, Lulu. And this one, it's just ugly. Oh, I guess the boomer nut did work. Add your flavor juice. This is 1 part flavor, 1 part juice. Go ahead and make it rain. Give it a couple well-calculated pokes. Some nut crystals. Get it. Next, to finish the candy, just form the junk into some equally sized logs. These are salted nut logs, also known as paydays. If you're allergic to nuts, you can just eat around them. It'll taste the same. These paydays are actually how I pay my well, at least how I used to pay them. They all left when I put them on this new payment plan. Next time the waiter asks for a tip,
I got this one.
you know what to do.